Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Walmart yarn, and all links are down below. My email's down below. Once I announce the winner, please contact me. I want to go over a few things. This is my website, amyscrochetpatterns.com, and you can always go to the categories of patterns, click on it. It will take you to pictures. You can click on the picture. And there are many patterns here on the site that I created that are free. And here's one of them. I'm working on a purse for this granny square here. The pattern is right here if anybody's interested. Also in my Etsy store, I added a few more gift tags for Valentine's Day and Easter and such. And you can come here. My link is down below in the description. Most of all of my digital products are under $3, and I just created this shoulder bag, which is also done in a video that I did recently. There's some of my vintage patterns if you'd like to take a look, and a bunch of tags and the crochet printables. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Carlene. Please contact me with your address. My email is down below in the description. I will send this out, the yarn from Walmart. There's 2 skeins of them. I will send them out as soon as possible, as soon as you contact me. Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching. Please come back. I am posting a couple of videos a week. So my latest video was that chevron purse or bag, and I post little short videos here and there too. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.